You now have your brand new ISC insulation cutting machine, but you want to know what are the compatible accessories and consumables available to get the absolute best from the ISC. Let's take a look at the Festool system around the ISC. Thank you for joining us on Festool TV. My name is Allan. The ISC comes in two options, the basic and the plus set. The difference is that the plus set comes with two high-powered Bluetooth 4-amp batteries and a charger. If you have the basic set and need batteries and a charger, take a look at the energy sets, especially the 4-amp hour options. You will get high-powered Bluetooth 4-amp batteries and a charger perfectly organized in a sustainer. These sets offer you great value and mobility for your Festool cordless portfolio. The ISC will come with an SG240W blade set. The W is for the wavy type blades. These are focused to cutting mineral and natural wool insulation slabs. And the 240 means that you can cut up to 240 millimeters thick insulation. When ordering blade sets, they will include the blade and the riving knife, which is what you need to get going. The sets will always start with SG. And for spare blades, for the sets, the model will always start with DSB. I always like to have a spare blade for whatever saw I'm using. If you add a DSB 240W to your kit, you will then have an extra security of a spare blade for cutting mineral and natural wool insulation. There is also the blade sets with a capacity to cut up to 350mm slabs. Get the SG 350W for the blade and riving knife sets, and the DSB 350W for the spare blade. If you are cutting solid PIR type insulation, then you will need the SG 240G for 240mm cutting capacity, or the SG 350G for the 350mm capacity blade sets. And then please don't forget the spare blades for either of those, the DSB 240 or 350G. Whatever type of insulation or blade you are using, you may want to cut accurately in a straight line. The Festool guardrails will help you with this. The guardrails are available in sizes from 800 to 5 meters in length. If your van can accommodate a 2.7 meter guardrail to cut down the long lengths of a PIR sheet, please get one. It will make your life so much easier. And by having an assortment of varying lengths of guardrail, your workflow will be even more efficient. The 1080, 1900 and of course the 2.7 meter guardrail lengths are my favorite for this application. If you have a small vehicle, then the 1400 guardrails with connector bar and bag will give you fantastic mobility. Sometimes the PR insulation can be quite slippery, so to gain extra security and accuracy, use one of the available clamps to secure the guardrail in place, especially for those longer cuts. When you are using the guardrails for cutting natural and mineral slabs, then the angle stop FSWA ISC will be a great help to you. The angle stop will help get repetitive cuts up to 47-degree adjustment on both sides, with the flag stop adjustable up to 900 millimeters. Of course, once you have a Festool 18-volt saw and Bluetooth batteries, a natural companion is a Festool Bluetooth compatible extractor. This will allow you to pair your Bluetooth batteries with the extractor. And every time you switch the ISC on, the extractor will switch on automatically at the same time. And then when the ISC is switched off, the extractor will overrun for a few seconds to clear the debris and switch off. This seamless synergy between the Festool cordless power tool and the extractor makes your workflow so much easier and more efficient. If you have an extractor with built-in Bluetooth, that will work perfectly with your Festool Bluetooth batteries. Or if you have a 26, 36 or 48 liter extractor you'll need a Bluetooth module called the Remote Control CTFIM Sets to convert your extractor to be compatible with Bluetooth. The module will also come with a remote control to allow you to control your extractor from anywhere, even if you don't have Bluetooth batteries. All Festool power tools are fantastic, but when used as part of the Festool system, the functionality and your efficiency is blown out the water. The Festool Order app is invaluable to find compatible accessories and consumables for your Festools. Use the MyFestool account to sign into the app, and your Festool portfolio will be recognized and compatible and accessories can easily be sourced. Thank you for watching Festool TV. My name is Allan.